Hello iPhone users, so to search anything on your gallery, you can do it right away. Just either type in location, the person which you have already given name to, or any item or something. So I'm gonna show you how you do that. As just shown that you have to open your gallery and tap on the search option. Here you get the option of search. So I just typed birds, right? And here I'm getting either the pictures of the birds or the place or anywhere where bird is written in text, so text found in photos. So I just typed nature. So this is a nature gallery, the album that I have. These are the photos where nature is mentioned, right? So I'm gonna show you some examples so you can see how we can explore this feature. So this is cream that I mentioned. So in all these photos cream is mentioned somewhere, and when you open it, so I'm going deeper into it, when you open it you get the highlighted version where the word is particularly written. This will help you to find something in text or photos right away. And now I search Jaipur, a location in India where I have been, and I have photos of it as album, and as it is also a place, so it's gonna show me all those photos of Jaipur, right? So that's how we use this feature. Amazing feature for quick findings of different photos, right? See you in the next video. Ta-da.